If you want to add pages on your Shopify site, then this video is only for you. At first, click on online store. Then you can see here pages. Click on pages. Here you can see contact and do not sell or share my personal information. View this page, and I no need this page, and that's why I wanna remove this page. Okay, and also contact, I wanna create new contact page. Delete pages. Okay, deleted here 2 pages, and I can add here pages. Add page, and at first you have to add title. Okay, I wanna add refund policy. This is my refund policy, and you can see, you can edit website SEO. Refund policy, it will be help for SEO. Okay, save. Page was created, and go back, and secondly I wanna add privacy policy. I copied this, and again add page and paste here. Yes, everything is alright. Let me check. And this page title is privacy policy. Okay, done. Then save. Go back, and I wanna add another page. Add page. This page name is terms of service. Okay, title, and copy and paste. Okay, done. You can add pages like this. You can add navigation where will be these pages, and you can add a footer menu or main menu. I wanna add a footer menu. Add menu item and name, privacy policy, terms of service. In navigation section, you can add here pages. Click add menu item. Click here search or paste a link. I wanna search. Then pages. You can add these pages here in footer menu. Privacy policy. Add. I wanna add all of these pages here. Again, pages. And privacy policy, return policy. Add and another page is terms of service. Okay, added. All of menu will be shown in footer menu. Okay, save menu. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.